I've got these two tires here. Wheels ain't no good to me. They're Pilot Hub wheels, and everything I've got's either Bud wheels or Dayton's. You can see on my dump truck here, I got Bud's on the front, Dayton's on the back. Anyway, found these on the side of the interstate a year or so ago. Bearing got hot and they run off. I tried a while ago to get the lug nuts off and wasn't having any luck. I'm gonna try again just one more time. If they don't come off just real easy, I'm gonna break them tires off them wheels with them still bolted together. And I believe I can do it. It'll be tough, but doable. They ain't coming apart. Them are not coming apart with a 1-inch electric gun or with a 3/4 air gun, even with 180 pounds of air. So I'm just gonna break them down like you see them. The key to this is lubrication. Lots of lubrication. Put my hat on, try to keep myself from burning up in this sun. That was already loose. After I get that first one off, I'll probably have to get my son to help me turn them over. There's one. These look like brand new tires. Gonna be good on the old dump truck here. Don't even need the hammer. Just kind of stand on them and bump them a little bit. I'm gonna go get some help to turn that over. I'll be right back. That wasn't too hard.
Lay it down on the rim now.
Right here. Alrighty.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'm gonna get that one off.
You need any more help on it?
Alright, thank you. Like I said, people, the key to this, lots of lubrication.
Couldn't hear you, what?
I was talking to the camera.
Oh. Maybe I'll just cut over that. Sorry.
No, it's okay. I don't know how well this is going to work with that brake drum in there. I know the goldenrod anyway. I may have to do something else. I'm going to use regular tire tools, I believe. Let's see. Oh, I got it. See if y'all are. Yeah, I'm in the picture. I'm good. See if I can grab this little feed. That needs a lot of lubricant. Sometimes you have to get something in position to lubricate it properly. Now, I may can get that off there with a regular tire tool. Yeah. No, I'm going to do it with a Chinese-made goldenrod tool. I've never done two of them quite in this situation, but I know it's doable. Tell you what, I use that to pull it up. This is going to take a minute. I'm in the hot sun. Let's see. If I could get a hold of that other bead, problem is I can't compress the tire enough to get a hold of that bottom bead. That is an issue. I think I'm getting somewhere. Oh, you professional tire guys out there, I know. That's a mess. Remember what I said about lots of lubricant. Headway. there it is, folks. 2 aluminum wheels are still bolted together with a brake drum in the back. And I have no use for that. If anybody needs some 22.5 Pilot Hub aluminum wheels, there's 2 right there for sale, cheap, $50 a piece. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all kind of like watching me, I'd appreciate it if y'all subscribe and click the bell up there. Thank you now.